Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're in Notes already, so start by selecting the text you want to recolor. Hold or drag to highlight. Next, tap the formatting icon, labeled A, or the context menu to reveal style controls. Once the menu appears, look for text color or font options. These live with bold and heading controls. Make sure you're editing, not viewing. If a note is locked, unlock it first, because changes won't apply while it's locked. Once the formatting pane is open, pick a preset color or tap the color wheel for a custom hue. You can slide to adjust saturation and brightness. Apply the color and then consider combining it with bold or italics to improve readability. Colors alone can be subtle. If you want consistent headings, use the heading style, then recolor. That way you keep hierarchical structure. Make sure you deselect the text after applying, so to finish, tap outside the menu or choose Done. Your color change saves automatically. If you sync via iCloud, wait a moment and confirm the color appears on your other devices. Sync can delay visual updates. If the color won't apply, force close and reopen Notes, check you're on a supported iOS or Mac OS version, and verify the note isn't locked. If problems persist, restart the device. This clears cache issues and often restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.